In the world of civil engineering, success is never an accident. It does not appear suddenly with a single brilliant idea or an overnight breakthrough. It is built slowly, layer by layer, through persistence, the quiet strength that keeps professionals striving for better solutions even when results are uncertain. The power of persistence has shaped every milestone in this field, from the first sketches on paper to the most enduring structures that define cities. It is what separates a completed project from a meaningful one, a moment of achievement from a legacy of impact. What drives you to keep going when a project seems endless, or when every solution creates a new challenge? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your story might inspire another civil engineer to keep pushing forward. Every civil engineer understands the weight of long nights, tight deadlines, and complex expectations. Projects often demand not only technical mastery, but also an unyielding mindset. Challenges appear in many forms: a drawing that needs revision, a client request that changes mid-course, or a sudden constraint that tests the limits of creativity. Yet beneath all the data, software, and precision, what sustains progress is the will to continue improving, the persistence to find clarity in confusion, to seek solutions when the path seems blocked, and to keep moving when fatigue begins to whisper the word enough. Persistence, however, is not simply endurance. It is a way of thinking that transforms adversity into advancement. It is the ability to learn from obstacles and refine processes rather than resist them. Within the global civil engineering community, there are stories that exemplify how persistence creates sustainable success, and AXA Engineers is one of them. From its earliest days, persistence has been the force that guided every decision, every philosophy, and every improvement. AXA Engineers was built on a deep conviction that real progress in engineering does not come from stricter control, but from empowering people. The company embraces a model where happiness and performance coexist, where persistence is not a struggle, but a natural outcome of purpose. Through this philosophy, AXA Engineers has developed what is known as the happy business model, a culture that nurtures professionals to grow, to think critically, and to overcome challenges with composure and pride. That same spirit shapes how AXA Engineers approaches quality in civil engineering projects. In this field, accuracy is non-negotiable. A single line drawn carelessly can lead to weeks of correction. Instead of treating quality as a final stage, AXA Engineers built it into the process itself through the three-layer quality fortress, a system of self-review, peer evaluation, and project management oversight. Each step represents persistence in action, an ongoing commitment to refine, to question, and to achieve precision through discipline. It is not about repeating the same task. It is about improving it each time. True persistence also lives in how a team grows. Through the AXA Engineers Total Employee Development (ADED) program, persistence becomes a skill taught through experience. It is cultivated in the way engineers think, communicate, and collaborate. Each member is encouraged to take ownership of their civil engineering projects, to focus deeply on details, and to keep learning. In this environment, persistence evolves from a reaction to difficulty into a natural expression of professionalism. It becomes the unseen force behind every drawing that meets international standards, every solution that improves efficiency, and every project that earns the trust of clients around the world. Beyond professional success, persistence teaches patience, the understanding that meaningful results take time. Each completed infrastructure project, no matter how small, is a testament to the hours, revisions, and decisions that came before it. It reminds civil engineers that the greatest value of persistence is not only in what it builds outside, but also in what it builds within: character, confidence, and calm determination. The power of persistence is what gives civil engineering its depth and dignity. It turns uncertainty into mastery and transforms work into purpose. Whether in a classroom, a design office, or a construction site, persistence continues to define those who build the world quietly. One drawing, one calculation, one day at a time. In every project, persistence becomes the invisible line that connects ambition with accomplishment. It is the force that shapes not just designs, but destinies, a quiet, enduring power that ensures that what is built today will continue to stand tomorrow. What does persistence mean to you as a civil engineer? Comment below. Let's remind one another that while progress may take time, every step forward still builds the future of civil engineering.